Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So wanted to do a quick update for you. I just recently attended an automotive conference for aftermarket repair parts, focused on automotive aftermarket repair. And during that time, there was a trade show, and I was there at that show, walking around, looking at different vendors and whatnot. And I ended up eating lunch at a table on the trade show floor and sat down with a group of people, started talking, and they ended up being some marketing and product team members for Man and Hummel, which is a company that owns Wix filters and Purolator filters. So I sat down, I saw who they were, and we started to engage with them. One of them actually had a Purolator shirt on, and I mentioned the old Purolator Pure One oil filters with that yellow sandpaper texture finish on it. And I was like, hey, you guys used to make that? That was awesome. I love that. I know a lot of people that love that filter. So that kind of kicked off our conversation. And we talked a little bit about oil filters. I was asking questions about aftermarket filters and the different options that are out there now to compete against the OEM filters and the advantages of extended protection filters, the media that they're using. It was a really cool conversation. We were able to engage with them. And in our conversation, I wanted to share with you something that came up that I think would be really cool for people to know about. If you haven't heard already, they announced this at AAPEX this last November. It was a featured announcement that they made, that Wix made at that show. And if you don't know, AAPEX is held in Las Vegas once a year in November, and it's at the same time as SEMA is shown there in Las Vegas as well. Everyone knows about SEMA. It's where like the performance parts are and all the upgrade and cool mods and all like the builds and stuff. But on the other side of the convention center, at the other side of town, there's the AAPEX show, and that's focused on just the repair market side of things. So parts that break that need to be fixed. The AAPEX side is considered the more boring side, but it's where all the big repair chains are, the suppliers that are providing repair parts. So everything you see basically that's listed on Rock Auto and sold in like the big box stores and the auto zones of the world, those companies are all participating in the AAPEX show. So Wix was there, and they introduced this new filter that they're developing. They have designed a new oil filter to be used in conjunction with these high mileage aggressive cleaning oils that we're seeing. So the Valvoline Restore and Protect, that's supposed to remove all of this varnish and clean up your engine as you use it. There's a danger that the filters being used with that are not necessarily able to hold all of that grime and sludge and grit and varnish that's coming off, that's being cleaned off. And so then it packs the media of the filter, and then it creates the filter to go into the bypass mode, and so you're not really getting the filtration anymore.
Okay, so I have here a basic Purolator filter here. And this is obviously one of the brands that Man and Hummel own. But this here, so you can see here the oil on a filter is coming in through these holes, right? It comes in and then it comes along the outside of the filter, and then it goes through the media into the center of the oil filter and back out here into the engine, right? So if you see there in the very far back, that's the bypass valve. So that's the design in there when the filter media is clogged and the oil can no longer come along the outside of the can and back in. It comes all the way to the end of the can and comes back through that bypass valve into the engine, right? And so that's the bypass valve designed for once the filter is full of dirt and clogged, can't catch any more, and the oil can't get through, the pressure release on that back valve opens up and the oil comes back into the engine, back as dirty oil, not through the filter itself. So more reason to change your oil filter. But I wanted to show that here.
In order to address that, Wix has designed an aftermarket filter to be used with the Valvoline Restore and Protect and any of these other high detergent, high cleaning oils that has basically, I was talking to them asking about it, it has a standard media pleated filtration mechanism in there, but then they've also attached an external media type that's around that, that's designed to catch and hold larger chunks and larger volumes of this stuff that's being cleaned off your engine before it gets to the pleated section, which then could jam up and force the filter into the bypass mode.
Here, this is the box. It kind of shows that filter media in there. This here is where, if you look, the new design that they say they're building for these high mileage or high detergent cleaning oils is going to have some sort of extra media on the outside of this to catch larger volumes or larger chunks of debris, material, dirt, and grime that's coming out of that oil that's being cleaned off your engine, to not clog into these little pleats that are in there. So it'll extend the life of the filter media by catching the bigger stuff outside before it goes into the media and clogs it and forces it to go through the bypass valve. So that's pretty cool technology. I wanted to share that, kind of a glimpse of what it actually looks like inside.
So I think that's really neat. If you own a newer car, you're not really going to need a filter like that. But if you're going to be going and kind of, let's say you bought a car secondhand and you want to do an aggressive clean and start running oil like that in your truck or your car, it might be important to look at a filter like this. So I don't know. I looked on their website. I don't see it yet as available. So we'll keep looking at that. When it does come out, I'll probably grab a snip of it and share that with you guys when it's available. We could look at what it costs. But definitely it's something to look at if you're going to run, like I did on my old Honda Accord, the Valvoline Restore and Protect. It's important to maybe put a good filter on that's designed to match the performance and the cleaning ability of the oil you're running. So I wanted to share that with you. I thought it was really cool. It's already out. It's news. They released it in November, the news that they're doing this. But I got a good update from that team, and I wanted to share it with you guys as something I learned, was excited to hear about. So I hope that helps, and we'll keep you posted on future updates on my truck and my Tundra and my Grand Highlander. They're both doing great with the 5W30 running in it. I've got some new ideas that I think I might look into with some of the Euro spec oils and the 0W40 oils. But definitely looking at those. They're running well. I'm very happy with the performance so far after making that switch. So good update. I'll catch you on the next video. If you have any questions or have anything you want me to look into, post a comment down below and I can see if I can check it out for you and see what I find as I'm out and about in the industry. So thanks a lot, guys. Until next time, we'll see you later.